What's up, guys? All Pro Exterior Services coming at you again with a little commercial job. I was at a restaurant next door and seen this, and the guy says, yeah, let's do it. So essentially we're doing from this line back with the curbs, just all surface work. Not much, make a quick 500. We're coming later hours. It's 5 o'clock here. We're gonna do this whole alley here. Nothing with the buildings yet. I'm gonna upsell them on that. We already had the discussion. We're gonna do these curbs all the way down. So these curbs go all the way down here. Again, a lot of surface work. Our 24-inch surface cleaner fit perfect in here. I'm gonna downstream some bleach and let it sit and roll with it. Do a little pre-treat with the downstream, and I do a post-treat with a little bit stronger mix. That way it brightens it up a little bit. But I think we'll be good. So show you my rig setup. Again, small time. So all the small timers out there, it's your time to shine. We got our hose reels. We're gonna undo this hose reel. We got a little 4 GPM 24-inch surface cleaner. We hooked up with the hose. We got some degreaser just in case we're not gonna need it. So we're gonna downstream some straight bleach with a little eliminator, a little bit of soap, and then roll. But again, this is we went ahead and blew it all off first to kind of get the rocks and stuff all off. So there's our surface cleaner right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get to work. Catch up with you in a second. All right, guys. Here we are surface cleaning. You can see no heat, just cold water. But again, it wasn't greasy. So we got the first section we're knocking out. We've been out there about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. We got it all pre-treated all the way down. So it's making a lot. In fact, they came a lot wider just by pre-treating them. So it's gonna make our job a lot easier. So as you can tell, we moved everything from the building. Highly recommended. Move anything that may get on bleach. We also came back and did a rinse on a wall real quick. Got the setup working good. So yeah, Anthony over there hitting. I gotta go catch that hose. Peace. All right, guys, we're just about wrapping it up. We did the surface clean. All we gotta do is rinse it off. Got it all down there, all this way, all this way. We're gonna rinse it one more time, put a post treat on it, rinse the walls, and call this job a wrap. Thank God for that blower. Highly recommended. You get puddles of water. There's no drain here, but we can't do nothing about that. But there was some water here puddling. That blower came in very handy to push that water back. So if you don't have a blower in your truck, maybe not be a bad idea to add it. Okay. And all right, so I'll catch up with you on the wrap up. We finished that job up. It took us 2 hours, 20 minutes, maybe 2 hours, 30 minutes, 2.5 hours. Anyway, I got the Hotsy 4 gallon per minute, 4,000 PSI unit, offloaded on the trailer. So we can load that Skag up tomorrow and go do some lawn care work. So anyway, we had a good day, made $500 in about 2.5 hours, doing a little bit of surface cleaning. The upside is this, I've talked to the guy who owns that joint. He owns the whole complex. He says, oh, I got many others I want you to start doing. So that one lead or that cold call turned into a job, which turned into multiple jobs, building a relationship with the customer. And now I got multiple properties to catch up on. So him and I are going to sit down probably in about a week, discuss the properties he has all over, and I'm going to take care of them all. So again, guys, if you're out there, you see something dirty, stop, drop a card, a flyer, drop it off. Be professional about it, you know, and present yourself well. And all you need is that one connect. This guy may bring me, you know, $10,000 worth of work by the time it's done. Tonight was $500 for 2.5 hours. Not a bad gig. But he's got multiple properties. And guess what? People like that know other people like that. So it's all about a networking thing. So anyway, it was a good day. I just wanted to wrap the video up. I wasn't able to do that on site. We had some people that arrived that needed some help with their vehicle. Long story, but I'm going to get into it. But so anyway, I just wanted to wrap it up. And please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm growing this pressure washing business, so the support is very important. It helps grow the channel. It gives me the confidence to go out there and do what I do and try to film on site, which is challenging sometimes. But I appreciate all the support, and thank you, and I catch up. Peace.